want you guys to picture this. You wake up every morning to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, courtesy of your own personal robot barista. As you head to work, another robot is playing fetch with your dog. And when you return home from work, you're greeted by your very own AI companion. This is no longer a scene in a sci-fi movie. This is soon going to become a reality for everybody. So with CES 2024 just having wrapped up in Las Vegas last week, I wanted to showcase some of the most innovative robots that caught my eye. Starting with Samsung's new robot Bali. Now it's not just a random robot rolling around your house. It's packed with so much technology that it becomes your personal assistant, your security guard, and even a fitness coach. Think of a mini BB-8 from Star Wars, but instead of saving the galaxy, it's more interested in saving you from missing your yoga class. Next, let's shift gears to LG's new smart home robot. With its two-legged wheel design, this robot doesn't just move, it dances around your house. Now, what makes this robot so smart? It can hold a conversation better than most of my dinner guests, understanding not just your words, but the emotion and context behind them. And it's not just a chatterbox. This robot turns your home into a smart hub. With its camera and sensors, it will keep an eye on everything, making sure your home is as safe as Fort Knox. Moving on, let's pull something out of the hat, or rather the pocket. Meet Rabbit's Pocket AI. Now this isn't your average smart home or digital assistant. Now this thing can answer your questions faster than you pulling out your phone and typing something into Google or ChatGPT.
What's the nature of the reality?
The nature of reality is a topic that has captivated the minds of philosophers and thinkers throughout history.
Now, from what I understand, this device has been sold out 3 times after they sold more than 30,000 devices. Now let's talk about a robot that's supposed to be your most best friend, the Oro Dog Companion. It's like having a robot therapist for your dog, minus the couch and the hourly fee. It has a LiDAR-based mapping system that lets it navigate your home like a seasoned explorer. So this robot can actually feed your dog, and it can also throw a ball to play fetch. Imagine coming home to a happy, well-fed pet and a house that's not turned upside down. So if you ever feel guilty leaving your furry pet at home, Oro's got you covered. Let's now stir things up with the robot barista Adam. Now this is not your typical coffee shop experience. Imagine walking into your kitchen and you've got a robot there that knows exactly how you like your coffee. Do you want a latte with a love heart on top? Well, Adam has got you covered. It can do that. Now here's what makes it even better. This robot is equipped with AI and machine learning, so it gets better at making the coffee over time. And the best part, you won't have to wait in line anymore. You will not have to get your name spelled wrong on the cup. Adam brings the cafe to your countertop. And lastly, we have Ki Tech's Luna. Now this robot is redefining the idea of a pet. It's designed to mimic pet behavior, so you get all the joys of having a pet but without all the mess. It can play interactive games and follow you around the house like a personal companion. And I guarantee you it's not going to chew up your furniture or your shoes. It's also the first consumer robot with ChatGPT embedded inside of it, meaning it's going to hold more of a conversation than just beep boop beep. So that's it for the robot, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know which one is your favorite one, or if there's any that I missed. I will see you guys in the next one, okay? Peace.